Welcome to Fast Logo Friday. This is episode number 2 of season number 2, where every week I design a logo based on a random weird word. Hey, my name's Aaron. I'm the creative director at Square Thunder, and we work with the spirits industry to design brands and logos and packages and ads and all kinds of other stuff to help spirits companies sell more product. If you need help with that, give me a shout. I'd love to talk to you. You can find me at squarethunder.com. Today we're going to go super fast, Flash Gordon fast on our Fast Logo Friday. Our word today is SWITH, S-W-I-T-H. It's an old English word meaning quickly or strongly or immediately. It can be used as a verb to do something quickly, to hurry up or hasten. Today I'm going to use the word SWITH to design a logo and some packaging design for a fictional brand of bitters. If you are unaware, bitters is an infused alcohol, high proof but terrible tasting on its own. Basically what you do is you infuse a neutral spirit with a whole bunch of botanical things like nuts or tree bark or herbs and spices or flowers or citrus peel and stuff like that. Bitters were originally developed and marketed as medicinal ingredients, but they have since found their way into cocktail recipes today, like the Sazerac and the Old Fashioned and all sorts of other cocktails that you might find. And they add a layer of complexity and help enhance the other flavors in a cocktail. So today we're going to jump in and start sketching out some rough ideas for our bitters logo based on the word SWITH. I know roughly where I want to go, but I'm going to explore a couple of different ideas. Then we'll hop into Illustrator, refine more of those ideas a little bit further, and then finally I'll put together a couple of mock-ups to show what it might look like. So let's get started and see what we can come up with. Hey, thanks for coming along for an extra fast edition of Fast Logo Friday. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, click that thing right up there and subscribe, because that'll be awesome. And click one of these videos over here. YouTube would love to have you watch it, and so would I. We'll see you next week right here on Fast Logo Friday. Stay awesome.